Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are commencing from 12th of November. For that, you need to put extra efforts, you need to do extra hard work so that you can crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, unfortunate part of the story is that you are virtually connected to your teachers or virtually you are connected to your teachers. The physical mode, which is the real form of teaching, remained off due to pandemic COVID-19. A small microbe that originated from Wuhan city of China finally put life at stake, and it is causing disorders seen everywhere in the world. Dear students, now your examinations are being taken from 12th of November. You have to work hard. This is the only option left for you. You have to put extra efforts and you have to do extra hard work. Dear students, there is 40% concession given to you in your syllabus because board realized it that students were not physically in the schools and face-to-face interaction is must for the better learning. So you can skip some chapters where you have no command at all, but you have to keep in mind marks weightage of each chapter. Dear students, yesterday a student enrolled in our institution named Khurshid called me to make me learn once again the conditional clauses, but if plus past perfect and plus would have condition. Dear students, already discussed with you that conditional clauses are if clause having two parts. One is the if clause, another is the man clause. You can take some examples yourself, and I am giving you some examples by which you learn the things. If it rains, I shall stay at home. If it rains is the if clause, and I shall stay at home is the man clause. So if the conditional clause having two parts, one is called the if clause, another is called the man clause. If it rains is if clause, and I shall stay at home is the man clause. If Anand comes, I shall go with him. If Anand comes is if clause, I shall go with him is the man clause. But today we are confined to if plus past perfect followed by would have past participle, that is the third form of the verb. How it works and how it can be answered if asked in the board examinations. Dear students, you have to first recognize the tense after the if is introduced. It is inserted. For example, if he had worked hard, if he had worked hard, if he had worked hard. That means if plus past perfect, and past perfect is a tense in which you find third form of the verb, and before the third form of the verb there is had played, had worked hard, had gone to school. These are the examples of past perfect. So if he had worked hard, he would have passed the exams. If he had worked hard, he would have passed the exams. Had plus third form of the verb, and before it is if, and then it is would have, and past participle, that is the third form of the verb. So simple it is. Take one more example. If the captain had played well, if captain had played well, if plus past perfect, we would have not lost the match. We would have not lost the match. Would have plus third form of the verb. So simple it is. If plus past perfect and is followed by would have plus third form of the verb. So you have to keep in the mind. Take one more example. If he had reached well in time, if he had reached well in time, that means he had reached past perfect, he would have not missed the train. He would have not missed the train. This is if plus past perfect, and that is followed by would have plus third form of the verb. This is how if plus past perfect and would have the condition works. Dear students, take some examples, some more examples so that the concept will get clear. If he had gone to school regularly, if he had gone to school regularly, he would have passed the exams. If he had gone past perfect, would have, and third form passed the exams. If plus past perfect plus would have. This is how if plus past perfect and would have plus third form of the verb works. Dear students, you have to keep its construction in mind. If plus past perfect and then followed by would have and past participle, that's the third form of the verb. Take some more examples. If he had gone to Delhi, if he had gone to Delhi, he would have cracked the IAS exams. Had gone to Delhi, past perfect, had cracked the IAS exams. Would have cracked the would have cracked would have plus third form of the verb. So if he had gone to Delhi, he would have cracked the IAS examinations. This is how if plus past perfect and then followed by would have plus third form of the verb, that is past perfect works. So it is if plus past perfect plus would have plus third form of the verb. Take one more example. If he had played his inning well, if he had played his inning well, had played, that means past perfect, he would have come the man of the match. Would have plus third form man of the match. This is how if plus past perfect, then it's followed by would have and past participle works. Dear students, hope this concept have has might have reached to you. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query, forward your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling. Within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But keep in mind that I am not English teacher at all. I am shouldering the task of teaching you English in absence of English teacher where I am posted. Better is to learn these things from English expert or English specialized teacher. But the these are the things which are actual. You need it in the coming examinations. So you have to see these things also on your available grammar book so that you can grasp the concept well. Dear students, work hard. My prayers are with you. And when you work hard, and every barrier can be crossed, and these examinations are meager things. Thanks, be blessed.